The very hungry caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and popped out of the egg, tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple. Yum, 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 yum. But he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears. Yum, 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 yum. But he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums. Yum, 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 yum. But he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries. Yum, 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 yum. But he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges. Yum, 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 yum. But he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, an ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf. And after that, he felt much better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly.
Ako lang talaga yung malas.